We are diving into an interesting and collectible piece from Africa, the 1985 South Africa 50 cents coin with the TS Mint mark. The 1985 South African 50 cents coin is a fascinating part of the country's numismatic history. This coin was issued during a period when South Africa was still using the rand currency system introduced in 1961. The coin reflects both the economic and political environment of its time, making it highly interesting for collectors. This particular coin features the TS Mint mark, which stands for the Pretoria Mint, officially known as the South African Mint. The presence of this mint mark confirms that the coin was produced at the country's primary minting facility, adding authenticity and collectible value. On the obverse side of the coin, you will find the national coat of arms of South Africa used during that era. It includes a detailed design with symbolic elements representing unity and strength. The inscriptions around the design highlight the country's name in both English and Afrikaans. On the reverse side, the coin displays the denomination 50C along with the year 1985. The design is simple yet bold, making it easy to identify even in circulated condition. The overall design reflects durability and practicality, which were key features of South African coinage at the time. Now let's talk about the condition. A 1985 50 cents coin in good condition means it has been circulated but still retains clear details. You may notice some wear on the high points, slight scratches, or fading, but the main features remain visible. When it comes to market value, this coin is generally considered a common collectible rather than a rare one. In today's market, a 1985 South Africa 50 cents coin with the TS Mint mark in good condition is typically worth around $0.201 US. The value can vary depending on the coin's exact condition, shine, and collector demand. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition can fetch slightly higher prices. However, the real value of this coin lies not just in its price, but in its history and connection to South Africa's past. For collectors who appreciate international coins, this piece is a great addition to any collection.